Hi students, today we will discuss some important topic in ionic equilibrium. How to calculate the pH of some salts. I asked one question before video, how to calculate the pH of salt solutions. How to calculate the pH of salt solution. For example, pH of 0.1 m NaCl solution. What is the pH of that solution? And next, pH of 0.1 m CH3COOH How to calculate pH of this type of solutions? Here NaVa equal to NbVb, the salt is formed. How to calculate the pH of the salt solutions? This is the very important. Once look at here. So before going to calculation of pH of the solutions, you have to learn salt hydrolysis. What is the concept? Salt hydrolysis. What is the concept? Salt. What is the concept? Salt hydrolysis. By using salt hydrolysis, after completion of salt hydrolysis, some types of salt hydrolysis, easily calculate the pH of some salt solutions. pH of the some salt solution. This is a very important topic. So, what is the salt hydrolysis? What is the salt hydrolysis? In salt, cation or anion, in salt, cation or anion react with water or both react with water. So salt is dissolved in water. Salt is dissolved in water. In salt, cation or anion, both cation and anion react with water. That salt hydrolyzed. That means that salt is hydrolyzed. Otherwise, that salt is not hydrolyzed. What is the meaning of hydrolyze? What is the salt hydrolysis? In salt, cation or anion. In salt, cation or anion react with water or both cation and anion react with water. That is salt hydrolysis. That is salt hydrolysis. So for example, cation react with water. That is cationic hydrolysis. Cation react with water. That is the cationic hydrolysis. Here H plus is produced. H plus is produced. Cation react with water to produce H plus ions in aqueous solution. Next, anion react with water. Anion react with water. So B minus react with water to form BHB plus OH minus. Here OH minus is produced. This type of hydrolysis is called as anionic hydrolysis. Hydrolysis are divided into two types, cationic hydrolysis and anionic hydrolysis. So cation react with, in salt, cation react with water, that is called as cationic hydrolysis. Anion react with water, that is called as anionic hydrolysis. In cationic hydrolysis, H plus is produced. In anionic hydrolysis, OH minus is produced. OH minus is produced. That is the very important. So in salt, cation or anion, both cation and anion react with water to produce H plus or OH minus in aqueous solution. That is called as salt hydrolysis. That is called as salt hydrolysis. That is the very important. So based on hydrolysis, based on salt hydrolysis, salts are divided into four types: And strength of the acid and bases, salts are divided into four types. Based on strength of the acids and bases present in that salt, salts are divided into four types. So here salt with strong base and strong acid. Salt with strong base and strong acid. This type of salts. So for example, NaCl. How to say this salt came from strong acid and strong acid and strong base. Here some important strong acids are there. HClO4, Hi, HBr, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. These are very strong acids. And some strong bases are there. Some strong bases, NaOH, KOH, RbOH, and CSOH. And second group, some bases are strong bases, SROH twice and BaOH twice. These are strong bases. Sometimes you have to consider calcium also strong base. These are strong bases. These are strong acids. These are strong bases. These are strong acids. The salt came from strong acid and strong base. That are salt with strong base and strong acids. So here NaCl prepared from strong base NaOH plus strong acid HCl. Strong acid HCl. These two are combined to form salt and water. That is the salt solution. That is a salt solution. So this salt dissolve in water. This salt dissolve in water. This salt dissolve in water. That convert to Na plus and Cl minus. Na plus and Cl minus. These ions are very weak ions. These ions are very weak ions. Why? Because these ions came from strong acid and strong base. This Cl minus came from HCl. Na plus came from NaOH. So this is the conjugate base of HCl. So the conjugate base of HCl, Cl minus is a conjugate base of HCl. This conjugate base is a weak base. Why? Because the conjugate base came from strong acid, that is the very weak. So this is the weak anion. So next, the conjugate acid. This is the conjugate acid. This is came from strong base, that's why this is the weak conjugate acid. That means weak cation. So these two ions are very weak ions that does not react with water. Does not react with water. For this type of salts does not react with water. This type of salts does not react with water. So that solution is neutral solution. That solution is neutral solution. pH of that solution is 7 at room temperature. At room temperature, pH of that solution is 7 at room temperature. At room temperature, Kw value is 10 power minus 14. At that time, pKw equal to 14. Maximum pH is 14. Here H plus concentration is 10 power minus 7. OH minus concentration also 10 power minus 7. Here pH equal to 7 and pOH equal to 7. So that is the neutral solution. That is a neutral solution. So this type of salts, pH of this type of salts does not depending on concentration of the solution and also does not depending on nature of this salt. Nature of the salt. Whatever it may be the salt, that salt came from strong acid and strong base. That salt came from strong acid and strong base. That salt solution, that aqueous solution of that salt is a pH value is 7. That's nature of the solution is neutral. Nature of the solution is neutral. That is the very important. So whatever it may be the salt, for example KCl. So KCl prepared from strong acid and strong base. The ions are very weak. The ions does not react with water. This type of salt does not hydrolyze. This type of salts does not hydrolyze. So here how to ask the bits, which of the following salt is not hydrolyzed? Not hydrolyzed. Which salt are not hydrolyzed? The salt came from strong acid and strong base. That type of salts does not hydrolyze. That type of salt does not hydrolyze. Aqueous solution of that nature of the aqueous solution is neutral. What is the pH value? 7. At room temperature, that equal to 7. Here Kw value is changes, pH value changes. For example, Kw value equal to 10 power minus 12. For this case, neutral pH equal to 6. Maximum pH equal to 12. Here 0 to 12, neutral pH equal to 6. Here Kw is given in bracket. What is the neutral pH? 6. So at this case, neutral pH equal to 6. Otherwise, no, there is no any temperature is not given and Kw value is not given. That means at room temperature, that pH value is 7. So whatever it may be the salt, for example, one unknown salt is given, RbNO3. This is the salt. I don't know before that salt dissolved in water. Rb plus NO3 minus is formed. The salt came from strong base. Here Rb is there and NO3 minus is came from strong acid. So this salt does not react with water. So salt is not hydrolyzed. That salt is not hydrolyzed. That means nature of the aqueous solution is neutral. What is the pH of the solution? What is the pH of the solution? 7 at room temperature. At room temperature. So what is the pH of this type of salts? 7. Irrespective of concentration, irrespective of salt, the pH of this type of salts equal to 7 at room temperature. So pH of 0.1 m is NaCl solution equal to 7 and pH of 0.01 m NaCl solution also 7. So at room temperature. Next pH of 10 power minus 2 m K2SO4 solution. What is the pH? That aqueous solution, what is the pH? So pH equal to 7 at room temperature. So what is the pH of this type of solutions? 7. pH of this type of solution does not depending on concentration of the solution and also does not depending on nature of the salt. So pH only depending on Kw value, that means temperature. That means pH value depending on temperature. This is the very important. So next go to one more type of the salts. pH of 0.1 m CH3COONA. So this type of salts, how to calculate the pH of this type of salts. So next salt is second salt. Salt with strong base and weak acid. Weak acid. Strong base and weak acid. Now you take CH3COONA, dissolve in water, that is convert to ions, that is convert to ions. So CH3COO minus plus Na plus. Here Na plus is a weak cation and acetate ion is a strong anion. Strong anion. Why? Because this ion came from weak acid. That's why this is the strong conjugate base. So strong ions easily react with water when compared to weak ions does not react with water. Strong ions react with water. So which one react with water? Acetate ion react with water. Acetate ion react with water to produce COO minus plus H2O gives rise to CH3 COOH plus OH minus. In this salt, anion react with water to produce OH minus. Anion react with water, that's why this is called as anionic hydrolysis. This is called as anionic hydrolysis. Very, very important. So, in this salt, which hydrolysis take place? Anionic hydrolysis. Which of the following salts undergoes anionic hydrolysis? Which type of salts undergoes anionic hydrolysis? The salt with strong base and weak acid. The type of salts undergoes anionic hydrolysis. Which ions are produced? OH minus. The type of salts have basic nature. Aqueous solution of the type of salts, basic nature. So basic nature is there. pH value is greater than 7. pH value is greater than 7. So this is a very, very important. So anionic hydrolysis, that solution is a basic nature. So this is undergoes hydrolysis. So one hydrolysis constant is there, that is the KH. So hydrolysis is a reverse process of neutralization. Hydrolysis is a reverse process of neutralization. Here KH hydrolysis constant, that is also equilibrium constant. For this equation, how to calculate the equilibrium constant means that is the hydrolysis constant. How to calculate the hydrolysis constant? So for this equation, this is a reversible reaction. Here K is a equilibrium constant. How to calculate the equilibrium constant? Concentration of acetic acid into concentration of OH minus by concentration of acetate ion into concentration of water. Here water concentration is constant. Constant into constant, that is the new constant KH. KH equal to concentration of acetic acid into concentration of OH minus by concentration of acetate ion. This is the very, very important. So KH. KH means hydrolysis constant. Here KH means hydrolysis constant. So here weak acid, acetic acid is a weak acid, that is undergoes very less extent dissociation is there. So CH3COO minus plus H plus. CH3COO minus plus H plus. So here Ka, weak acid Ka equal to CH3COO minus into H plus by acetic acid. For weak acid Ka. This is also equilibrium constant for this equation. This is also equilibrium constant for this equation. So you already know that Kw equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus. This is a very, very important formula. At room temperature, this value equal to 10 power minus 14. Here Kw by Ka. Kw by Ka. This by this to get this value. So this by this to get this. So Kw by Ka equal to Kh. So how to remember this simply? So KH equal to KW by which one is weak? Here acid is weak. That's why K is given. So KH equal to KW by Ka. This is the formula for KW by KH. KW by Ka. For any type, this type of salts, this is the formula. For example, I take soap solution C17H35 COONA. What is the nature of this solution? What is the KH value? So pH value greater than 7 or less than 7, easily say. So what is this type of ions are there? This salt came from strong base and weak acid. So weak anion here, So weak acid, that means strong anion is there. C17H35 COO minus. This is the strong anion that is react with water. To produce H plus ion or OH minus ion. OH minus ion. To produce OH minus ion. What is the nature of this solution? Basic nature. Why? Because that is anionic hydrolysis. I will take another salt, Na2CO3. This is undergoes anionic hydrolysis or cationic hydrolysis. Here strong base is there, weak acid is there. Strong base, the salt came from strong base, that is does not react with water. So anion came from weak acid, that is the strong anion that is react with water, that undergoes anionic hydrolysis. So OH minus produced in the solution. So basic nature is there. What is the pH of this solution? So greater than 7. pH of this solution greater than 7. So how to calculate that pH? What is the formula? So here degree of hydrolysis constant, that is the H. What is the degree of hydrolysis? So number of salt molecule hydrolyzed by number of salt molecules hydrolyzed by total number of salt molecules, that is H. So H equal to square root of KH by C. Like already know that alpha equal to Ka by C, square root of Ka by C, like that. Here H equal to KH by C. So that is the degree of hydrolysis. Degree of hydrolysis is inversely proportional to concentration. Volume increases, degree of hydrolysis increases. Volume increases, degree of hydrolysis increases. So concentration increases, degree of hydrolysis decreases. Concentration increases, this is decreases. Volume increases, this is increases. So this type of salts, how to calculate the pH? So pH equal to greater than 7 or less than 7? Greater than 7. 7 plus. Here H equal to square root of KW by Ka into C. That is the formula H equal to for this type of salts. Here pH equal to 7 plus. 7 plus half into. So which one is weak? Acid is weak in this salt. So pKa plus log C. This is the formula of this type of salts. Any salt, this type of salts are there, that is undergoes anionic hydrolysis. What is the nature of this solution? Basic nature. Why? Because to produce OH minus ions. What is the KH value? KH equal to KW by Ka. What is the H value? Square root of KH by C, that equal to KW by Ka into C. That is very, very important. So next I will explain one more type, this type of salts, one more example. So this is the Na2B4O7. This is the formula of borax. This is the formula of the borax. What is the nature of aqueous solution of borax? What is the nature of aqueous solution of borax? How to explain? So in this salt is made with strong base NaOH and boric acid H2B4O7. So this is the weak base acid, this is the strong base. This salt made with strong base and weak acid. So here Na plus is weak cation plus B4O7 minus 2 is a strong anion. Why? Because that acid not there in this list. So this is the weak acid. This is the weak acid. These are strong acids and strong bases. The salt came from these acids and these bases. That salt does not react with water. So other than that acids and that bases, the ions react with water. So here B4O7 minus 2 react with water to form H2B4O7 plus OH minus. What is the nature of that solution? Basic nature. What is the type of hydrolysis? Anionic hydrolysis. What is the KH value? KH equal to KW by Ka. What is the H value? Square root of KH by C, that equal to KW by Ka into C. What is the pH formula? 7 plus half into pKa plus log C. So this type of salts all are have basic nature, pH value greater than 7. So anionic hydrolysis. Okay students, I will explain remaining salts in next video. Thank you very much.